Hello everyone. Today I'm making a video of this 1949 Emerson Electric model 77646AV. This is a fan I've been wanting for a while, and I got this one for completely for free. I got it from a collector who has wished for me not to say his name, and he shipped it to me completely for free, as he was able to get another one of these in mint condition. And this one has been restored in the past. It has a couple chips in the paint, but nothing to complain about. It's obviously it's a free fan, and it's one I've been wanting for a while. It's a beautiful fan. I'll turn it to the side here. The 77646AV model is a capacitor powered Emerson. It's a PSC, or permanent split capacitor motor, and it came in this ivory finish. The original ivory on this fan was very chipped and faded and ugly, so it was restored. Show you the back here. And when he sent it to me, all I had to do was rewire it, clean it. I got some new grommets from Daryl Hudson, who he is a member of the Antique Fan Collectors Association. He creates spare parts and such for these types of fans, mainly grommets, wiring, that type of deal, and they are very good quality, exactly the same as the originals. But anyway, and I also completely removed all the rust from the base plate and sprayed it in primer, gave it some new felt, and rewired it to working condition. I'll turn it to the front here, and I'll start it up on low. It's silent, but extremely powerful. Turn it up to medium. And of course, high. Turn on the oscillator here. There we go. Back down to medium. Low. And of course, off. Alright, thanks for watching, and remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.